Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to open a random program of the Windows within the Python. The compiler we are using is the pycharm IDE. So how we can do it? First of all, we need to import one library, and that is called as the subprocess. So we will go for import subprocess library. So this is our main library. Inside this subprocess library there is a function known as popen. That function is solely responsible for to open any file. .p open, okay, or subprocess. If there is like subprocess, then p open. Now within these parameter insertion brackets we need to give the what's called as the link of the or path of the program exe to be open. Let's say that we want to open the calculator. Then what we need to do is to go to like C, and okay, you can go with me like C, and then Windows, and then we need to go for system 32. So system 32, and here we have this CALC program where it is. Okay, can we go for like okay, where system 32 and CAL? Yeah, here it is, calc. Okay, so we need to right click on it, we need to go to properties, we need to copy the location and paste it inside these codes. After this is done, again go to this thing, copy name, and .exe is the extension of this calc exe. Okay, so we can say Control V. Okay, also one more thing, you need to place two slashes everywhere, not the single one. And here we need to write .exe, and when we will run it, we will see our calculator will be open up. Now you can see that our calculator is open. So in this way you can open any sort of program with the help of Python. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.